Hi, my name is Silka and I work at this beautiful location, UNISUS. I have been working for 30 years in helping companies innovate industries. And here at UNISUS, we are very passionate about innovating in education. So what does that mean? We're looking to really look at how students learn. How do they keep focus when they're learning? How do they build passion and pursue their interests? Which when they do that, they excel across the board academically and in their areas of interest. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about how this enrichment program is going to work. So one part of this is education, the core academics. We're moving them more into the morning. In the afternoon is where we run our enrichment program, where students can take their learning and apply them into their areas of passion and interest and pursue those even all the way up to a career pathway. So we're building on this now to launch as well an enrichment program within technology, fine arts, where students are creating beautiful works of arts with experts that we're bringing in to teach them. We're also building a music academy where students can go deep into digital music, into songwriting, concert band, individual instrument proficiency development, and beyond as well. And then we're also building an outdoor education program where students can go deep into sustainability and living in harmony with our nature and connecting into that nature, which is so important to counterbalance now the digital world we live in, which is driven by AI and digital environments. That connection into earth helps you connect into yourself and live your purpose and passion. So and then also in physical education, we enable students to go out and go beyond the physical education taught within the class, so volleyball and basketball and soccer. We're building academies where they can go deep into that skill development. It's the skill development that is much more important even, and it builds up to when they actually play within the game. And then as well, building offerings where students we take this beautiful environment that we live in the Okanagan, and they can go mountain climbing. We have some of the best rock climbing facilities, kayaking, really going out there, connecting to the nature. So we're excited for this launch. We know that education is changing rapidly. It's no longer about the core academics. It's an and. It's core academics and starting much earlier to explore and pursue their passions and interests, which lead into career pathways. And we have more information on this in our brochure. You can see down below this video. There's a link to our e-brochure. You can find more information there. Thank you.